Hey there, welcome back to AI Code King. Do you like researching? Well, I don't. Just think, to do research on a topic X, you need to first open Google and then search the topic. Then, you find thousands of articles about that topic, and then you gotta sort through to find the reliable sources, and then write down your notes for each, and then summarize them. Pretty tiring. Well, to overcome this, I found out about Perplexity. You can think of Perplexity like a search engine plus AI that goes through the articles and summarizes them for you. You can use it with GPT 3.5, but it is paid if you want to use GPT-4. And if you know me, you'll know that I don't like paying for stuff. So, today, I'll be making a sort of Perplexity clone in which you can type in prompts and get web-based AI summarization. But there's a problem. If you know Perplexity, you would know that it is extremely fast at giving responses. And with local LLMs, it would take a lot of time to generate responses. So, to remedy this, I'll be using Groq, which is an extremely fast LLM inference API that is surprisingly free. Groq offers many models such as Mixtral and Llama, and recently, they added Meta's Llama 3, which is on par with GPT-4 and Claude, making it really useful for our use case. So, we'll be using that combined with Tavily, which is a search engine API, and is also free for 1,000 monthly requests. We'll also be using a StreamLit interface to interact with the whole setup. So, now let's start the setup process. First, go to Groq's website. Get yourself signed up. Once signed up, go to the API keys page and get the API from here. Keep this API key in a safe place. We'll need this later. Now, go to Tavily, get yourself signed up, and you'll see this dashboard. On the bottom, you'll find your API key. Copy it and keep it in a safe place. We'll also need this later. Now, go to Phidata's GitHub page. Clone the repo onto your computer. Once done, come back to the GitHub page. Come to this path, and you'll see the instructions to get it installed. Now, let's execute these commands one by one. Let's copy the first command here and paste it in the terminal. This will create a new Python environment for you. Next, copy the second command, replace the asterisks with your respective API keys, and paste it into your terminal. Then, run the third command to install required extensions. Now, run the last command, and your application will be started. Make sure to select Llama 3 in the Models dropdown. Now, let's ask it to create a report on the recent launch of Llama 3. Let's see how much time it takes. Okay. It's super fast due to Groq's super fast inference. We get every inch of the report we wanted here. Pretty cool. Let me know if you liked this neat little Perplexity clone we deployed today in the comments. And also give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel for more such content. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.